Just wanted to say you're doing amazing today. Hey! You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umpy umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake dum dum, nugum you're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know it'll always be my hair. And I love to sing in songs to you because you are so dear. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Aw, I love you so much.
I love you so much. You're my best friend.
No, you're my boyfriend. You're the prettiest, perfectest person I know. You're the sweetest, not the meanest, and I love you the most. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, live faster. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, live faster. You never know that I'm not gonna you. That's all Pika-pee, Pikachu, Pika-pika. You may not love everything about yourself, but I do. You may not think you're important, but you're my world. You may think you're not anyone's favorite, but you're mine. You may think you're hard to love, but loving you is easy for me. Kantana, no, 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 Kantana. It's me. Hi, I'm your bestie, it's me. Everything's gonna be okay because I love you. I love you. And today might not be your best day, but I still love you. I love you. You're my friend, I love you till the end. You're my little chicken, so I'll say it again. Did you just say something to me? Oh. I thought you said, I love you.